Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading session. So, keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift ang energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Okay, so let's see. Uy, nahulog si ating open book. Unfinished business with someone. Ayan. And the music card. Uy. May mga nakakapagpaalala dito sa taong ito. May mga musics na nakakapagpaalala sa kanya. And the key. You also have here magnifying glass and tide. Uy, may mga natalik na naman sa mga maling sitwasyon, maling tao, maling relationship. And scissors. Okay, so wala kayong nito, communication, matagal na. Pero still open book pa eh. Hindi na kayo nag-uusap eh. Bigla na lang kayo hindi nag-uusap kasi parang may nagkaroon ng relationship, nagkaroon ng iba, bigla na lang nawala. May nang ghost. So, tingnan natin sa tarot cards natin dito. Pero still open book ha. Tingnan natin. So, this person want to collaborate. Okay, Three of Pentacles, the High Priest. So, for some of you, kasi parang nagkaroon kayo ng mga conflicts nitong taong ito. Or may mga hadlang. Religion, culture. Oh, lovers. Wow, 8 of Wands. Pero may mga realization kasi after no contact situation, after separation eh. Mari kasing it's a soulmate energy or for some of you twin flames, ganon. Fire and air. King of Wands, King of Swords, fire and air. Aries, Leo, Sag, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. We have strong Gemini and Libra here sa air sign. Can we start again? See? I need to achieve my goals. Can I call you? Alam niya kung pwede daw siya bang tumawag sa'yo? And letting you go walking away. So, nag-walk away nga siya. May nang ghost. May nawala na lang na parang bula. Kaya bigla na-cut off ang communication. Pero ngayon, gusto niyang tumawag. Gusto niyang makipag-usap. Gusto niyang ayusin to. Ayan, another Libra. You're the fairest of them all. Can you forgive me? Can't sleep. Thinking of you all night long. I'm so in love with you. Ayan. So, second chances. Ayan, moving forward. Pero for some of you, parang moving forward na eh. Parang ayaw nyo na. For some of you. Ayan, pero may mga pa din dito na parang gusto pa rin itry again to. This time around. Parang love is sweeter the second time around. So, tingnan natin dito sa The Hidden Truth Oracle cards natin. I don't react when people mention you. I wish I could share my good news with you. You don't know how hard it was to let you go. Not available. I'm grateful for that spiritual lesson. I wish I had treated you better. And I'm afraid to contact you. Uy. I know that I crossed the line with you. And finding out the truth crushed me. So, tingnan pa natin. Ano bang message ng archangels natin sa reading na ito? Moon Cycles by Archangel Haniel. Notice how the moon affects your energy and manifestations and capitalize upon these cycles. So, siguro kahapon, during full moon, ayan, parang marami kang nararamdamang kakaiba or maring nagparamdam siya kahapon or after ng full moon siguro. Tsaka magpaparamdam 'tong taong 'to. Bottom card, Relationship Harmony by Archangel Raguel. We angels are opening the hearts of everyone involved. Arguments and conflicts are being resolved now. Wow! Ito mga naging conflicts nyo sa nakaraan, nare-resolbahan na, tinutulungan kayo ng mga archangels. So, tingnan natin sa initials. Meron tayong C, Y, D. H, I, N. Cindy. Ayan, may Cindy. H, A. U, W. X ang ating bottom card. So, tingnan natin sa ating blue card. We have here courage, passion, and regret. Oy. Kasi ang lakas talaga ng passion eh. Between you and this person eh. Yung pinagsisisihan niya na nawalan kayo ng communication, na bumitaw siya sa'yo, na may pinili siya sigurong iba. Yung mga panahong yon. Okay, so love is sweeter the second time around. Uy. So, tingnan natin sa ating general signs and the messages. Party animal, private person, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, selfie-holic and smart, rainy season, athletic, from Mindanao, has a dirty sense of humor, caring, kasama po twin flame, June, Aries, popular, the runner card. Yung other country, December and summer. We also have here good heart, ex-lover, quiet person, very lucky, travel, logical, and South PH. Okay, so ayan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.